Stick with me. I will show you how I was able to achieve this amazing video, which you can use for
what a surprise!
adverts,
This office
cartoon
is buzzing today.
series, and
I love it.
storytelling niche. All right, so stick with me. Let's head straight into it. Amazing part is you can do this with just one application, and you can be done with a mobile phone or your laptop. Let's head straight into it. Step 1, you need to decide the image you want to use for this tutorial. If you want to use your own image, bravo. If you want to create your own image avatar, that would be nice. I can put you through on how you can create your own image avatar. But on this tutorial, I already have images I want to work with, okay? This is number 1 image, and this is my second image and third image I will be working with, all right? We'll be using the amazing application called Grok. We'll be doing everything on Grok, converting our image and converting to video as well. First thing you need to do on Grok is to move over to Imagine, all right? Click on Imagine. You will see this amazing interface where it will show you the amazing graphics jobs that has been done on Grok AI. Mind you, Grok AI has a free version and a paid version, but you can do amazing things on the free version. Free version gives you around 20 to 30 free video or images in 24 hours, so you can make deal with this information. So here we'll be going to attach file to upload our file. By the right here, you will see we have image. If you click on the button there, you see we have video duration 6 seconds for free version, 10 seconds for paid version, 480p for free version, 720p for paid version. And as the aspect ratio, you will see 2:3 and so on. So right now we'll be working with the 16:9 aspect ratio because it's for a long form YouTube tutorial. But if you're doing shorts, reels, TikTok videos, you'll be working with 9:16 ratio. All right, good. So here we have the option to go straight to convert to image or convert to video. So we are working with the video part. You come over this place, you see attach, you click on the attach file. It will take you to where you will upload your file, where I already have my pictures on ground. So I'll be using this good looking image of mine where I am on suits and a blue shirt looking good. All right, my image will upload. I come over to my prompt I've already drafted out for this tutorial. Feel free to use my prompt. This is my image that has been uploaded. So right now I am changing this image to what you can use for your adverts, use for your business, use it to create storytelling videos. You can use it to create series videos and to monetize on YouTube. Mind you that it will be nice you use your voice when creating video. It will be nice you add human touch. YouTube has changed the system right now. The YouTube policy has really changed. YouTube wants people to put in energy. Don't just get video from AI video, AI picture, and AI voice. No, YouTube frowns at that. So you need to add human effort. It's not difficult. Create a video with AI and do voiceover with your original voice. No one else has your voice. Your voice is unique. That will make YouTube understand that you are not bots. Your channel is not bot, that it belongs to human. By doing that, you will avoid getting inauthentic content strike or getting your channel demonetized. All right, so feel free to subscribe to this channel if you are new. My name is Anthony. I create amazing content about how to use AI to solve your problems and make money with AI videos. So our video is almost ready. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. All right, if you like what we do, subscribe to the channel, share the videos to people that will be needing it. All right, so our video is almost ready. It takes few seconds to download the video. All right, so it depends on the speed of your internet. That is how fast it can download. And I'll be reading brief information about the prompts that I generated. Convert this picture a high quality 3D Disney Pixar style 3D animation, render of the character design features, extreme caricature proportions, a massive oversized big head with expressive large eyes and very long tiny head, tiny neck, cinematic 3D lighting, smooth, amazing. Feel free to copy my prompt, okay? Feel free to copy my prompt. And if you don't like what was generated, you can click on redo and have another video for yourself. Mind you, you have limits when you use free Grok. You can get like 20 to 30 videos or image to convert while using the free version. So you need to be careful when you are giving your prompts. Be sure of what you are giving Grok AI to generate for you. If you find it difficult in generating prompts, feel free to reach out to me. I will give you amazing prompts that you can use to generate any type of video images you want out there. All right.
Whoa, this office is incredible. Look at all this cool stuff. I love it.
Wow. Remember?
Whoa, this office is incredible.
This is what I used.
I love it. Whoa, this office is incredible. Look at all this cool stuff.
This is what I use. The image I use.
Whoa, this office is incredible.
You see
Look at all this
how
cool stuff.
it matches very well.
Whoa,
and now I can
incredible.
tell this
Look at all this cool stuff.
to do something else or say something else. Okay? I can tell this video
Whoa, this office is incredible.
to come up with something else.
I love it.
Right here, I have
Whoa, this office is incredible.
prompts.
Look at all this cool stuff. I love it. Whoa, this office is incredible.
It will animate to something amazing. You are in control. You are the owner of the AI when you are using it on your phone or on your laptop. You tell the AI what you want. Just understand the trick in using prompts. Prompt is power. Prompt is authority. Okay? Listen to what the video will say. These are done with free version Grok AI. I did not pay for this. I am using a free version. You can use it to advertise your business, run adverts, market your business, market your career, whatever you do, advertise it online. People will watch this because it looks funny and looks interesting when you animate it very well. Okay? People will watch this and want to patronize.
Whoa, this office is incredible. Look at all this cool stuff.
Wow.
I love it.
I love it. It's amazing. Okay, so I don't want this tutorial to be long, so you grab a whole lot for yourself. So feel free to subscribe to the channel. If you love what I do on this channel, drop your feedbacks on the comment section. And I've made a step-by-step masterclass video on how you can use one image to create amazing cinematic movie. On my channel here, there is a video. I'll be dropping the link, so watch it and learn a lot how you can use one image and create long form video. It will change character, have character consistency, amazing backgrounds, and a whole lot. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Cheers.